In today's video, I'm going to discuss about two online platforms where you can earn money from home. And these are freelance platforms where you can get the job and complete the job and earn money. You can work as per your own schedule, and these are flexible opportunities. So if you're not having any kind of experience, or you're a fresher, you are a student, you are a housewife, you're a college going student, you can check out the details and you can apply for the job if that interests you. So the first company is mainly about like online tutoring kind of platform. So this company offers a platform where who are stuck with their homework related problems, they can get connected with the teacher or an online expert, subject expert, and they can chat with them for about like 2 to 10 minutes. So most of the sessions here are about 10 minutes, and if you're working as a tutor or as an expert, you can clarify the student's doubt, and then accordingly you can earn money. You can expect an earning of around $2 to $10 per hour, depending on the problem volume and how much you wish to work on the platform. So this is a great opportunity for people who are looking for some kind of flexible or side income kind of opportunities or part-time kind of roles. The second company is mainly a freelance platform where you can get some kind of like micro jobs in different categories and you can earn money in your free time. So this is also a flexible kind of role. Now let's start with the first company. So the first company's name is Photo Study, and here's the company's website. And here they have written that make up to $1,000 a month as a photo study expert. So this is some kind of like online learning platform. But here you're not required to like teach a student, or you can connect with a student for a long term. Here what happens that student used to post their homework related problems, and you can select any of the problems that you wish to provide a solution for, and you can connect with the student for about like 10 minutes of session, and then you can provide them the solution. So here you will be working from home or anywhere. So as long as you have a stable internet connection and a laptop or a PC, you can start tutoring and taking session. So here, why Photo Study is the best online learning platform. So here, this is a global platform, and no matter what is your geographic location, you can connect with this. You can connect on this platform. You will be getting paid for around like 10 minutes of session that you complete. And so there's no limit to how much you can earn. As this is a flexible platform, you can create your own schedule, and you can work as much as you want or as little as you want. So it depends on you. Everything is on you. Like this is a work from home opportunity. You can work from home or anywhere as a photo study expert, and you can help students learn. You can help student learn in around like 10 minutes of a session. And most other jobs require you to use like voice or video conference, but here this is a great opportunity for people who are introverts, and because here you're not required to talk with the student. You are not required to use your voice or your video conference or conduct any video conference kind of thing. So here you will be helping students with problems you are comfortable solving, and all communication is done through text-based chat. You will be helping students through text-based chat only. You're not required to call anyone, or you're not required to conduct any like video session. Here, if you wish to apply for the platform, you must have a Facebook account. And here, the subjects that the company is currently offers include mainly mathematics and science subjects. If you are so this is a great opportunity for people who are looking for some kind of flexible or side income kind of opportunities, or part-time kind of roles. So the second company is Proud Gigs, and here is the website. So if you're a fresher, you are a college going student, or you are a housewife, this platform is for you, and you can earn money in your free time. So if you're not having any kind of experience, you can still check out the details. Company is Proud Gigs, and here is the website. So this is a freelance kind of platform where you can complete microtasks in different categories. And here, this is an online marketplace where you can work and earn money from home. There are different easy to do affordable tasks that you can do from home or anywhere. So if you are looking for some kind of like freelance opportunities or work from home or side income kind of opportunities, this could be a good opportunity for you. And no matter what is your geographic location, and if you're a student, you're a housewife, or you're a fresher, you can check out the details. You can apply in any of the categories that interest you. So the categories that are available with the platform include like digital marketing, writing, and graphic design, mobile apps, and photo and video, SEO, web development, presentations. So here you can check out the gigs. These are the categories that you can check out. Depending on your expertise and interest area, you can apply and you can start working on any of the categories. So this is a global platform, and so no matter what is your geographic location, you can apply from anywhere, almost everywhere. And if we talk about the price, so here you can expect an earning of around like $3 to $200. So it depends on like you can ask for you can charge a client from like $3 to $200 for any project. And here you can check out other freelancers. So like any other freelance platforms, this is basically for micro tasks, and you can earn money from home and doing like simple tasks or micro tasks. You can work in your free time and create your own schedule. The company hires many freelancers. So usually like businesses or companies used to post their micro jobs or small easy tasks to get completed by the freelancers, and freelancers used to take up those jobs and start working on them, and they can earn money. So if this kind of role interests you, you can check out the details, you can check out the platform, and you can sign up with the platform and start earning by doing simple micro tasks in your free time. So go ahead and check out the details, apply for the job. Thank you for listening.